we don't always see one thing as the same. How's that? Look at an image of our brain. We have the left side and the right side. The reason why some people see things differently than others is because of what side of the brain is more in control. Is it the left brain or the right brain? Here's a quick test to figure out how your own brain works. Clasp your hands together. There you go. Now look at how you interlace your thumbs. Is the right thumb over the left thumb or vice versa? If the right thumb is over the left, that means the left side of your brain is more dominant. If the left thumb goes over your right thumb, then that means you're right-brained. Pretty neat, huh? Left-brained people are more likely to be better at the following things: language, logic, critical thinking, numbers, and reasoning. On the other hand, people whose right sides of the brain are more dominant are more likely to master things such as recognizing faces, expressing and reading emotions, music, color, images, intuition, creativity. Take a look at the people around you. Can you guess who's left-brained and right-brained? Your teacher, the bank teller, the artist who's painting the graffiti on that wall, that police officer who's trying to catch him. You. Yes, you. Which side of the brain do you think you use more often? If you assess your personality, do you think you are more left-brained than right-brained? Sometimes we are also able to show certain aspects of both sides, depending on the situation. Other people also have equally dominant left and right brain hemispheres. There are several tests you can take to figure out which side of your brain is more dominant. Do you think it'll give you the answer you're expecting? About 10 to 12% of the human population are left-brained. So the rest, which makes up the majority, are all said to be right-brained. Here are some famous right-brained people known for their distinct styles of thinking. Do you see yourself in any of these famous individuals? While people tend to have a dominant side of their brain, this does not mean that they only use that half of their brain. It only reflects a matter of right versus left brain balance in information processing and performing some activities. Although you should know, learning and thinking are enhanced with both the left and right sides of the brain and are used in a balanced manner. Fact: the left side of your brain controls the right side of your body, and the right side of your brain controls the left side of your body. Has anyone ever played a trick on you? Well, your brain can do that too. The good news is, your brain can't help it. Our eyes serve as our body's camera, but the real seeing happens in our brain. Our brain processes the data the eyes send it. Our brain also stores experiences in our memory, and this affects how we see things. Of course, since we cannot switch it off, our brain interprets these things automatically.